So I went to Daiso, and for those of you that are not familiar with Daiso, Daiso is a Japanese dollar store, and they just opened one here in Fayetteville, Georgia. So I went down. I did a haul on my channel a couple of years ago when I went to San Francisco, and I went to a Daiso store there. So definitely check them out. They're starting to open up kind of all around the US, which I thought was really interesting. And they just have a lot of random fun stuff. I'm kind of trying to take some things out of the bag here while I'm chatting with you guys. And then you guys may remember that I also did a food like taste test, because again, everything is from Japan. All of the price points that you're going to see in the store are actually in yen, and then there's signs that kind of tell you how much things actually are. So we'll just start with the socks that I got, because you know I love socks, and winter, fall coming up, and I love a nice comfy pair of socks to wear just in the house. And those are definitely going to be for that. I thought this was super, super cute. So basically the way that Daiso works too is that if there's no price on it, like this, then it's $2. If it has a price point on it, again, it's in yen, then it will be based on kind of what the not the translation, what the it's not translation, what is the word? Anyway, that's what the price is. And there's like helpful kind of price things all around. So anyway, this was super cute. I thought that this was really cute, just kind of tea light holder. Looks like a little crown. That would be really fun, especially for the holidays. I should have probably got more of those, but I didn't. This was super cute. I thought that this was really cute. Now this is a jute vegetable bag, and it does help keep your veggies. There's Otis, by the way. You see the little shark tail. This I thought was super, super cute. Honestly, I guess I could put my vegetables in it if I wanted to, but I thought it could be really fun for a DIY as well. Otis is saying hi. And that is super cute. Look at his tail right there. That's so funny. But again, they had a couple different kinds of these, and I thought that could be such an adorable DIY. The little things are in it. I gotta take those out. But the little plastic pieces. But super cute, right? Look at that buddy. Super cute indeed. Hi, Otis. This is something for Otis, and so maybe he is looking around at this. He loves his fish, and this is a fish cat toy. This was 300 yen, so I think that equated to about $4. And look, Otis. It's got a little squeaker in it. Look. Here, go get it. I don't know if you heard him, but he definitely took off. All right. This was super cute. I thought that this could be fun, like on the cruise. You guys know that I just went on my first cruise. I had a really good time while I was on the cruise, so I'm definitely going to be doing it again. And I needed a bag to be able to put some laundry and stuff in, and I thought that could be really cute. I loved the camo. I wish that this would have been blue instead of white, but it's fine. And then I even thought for a beach bag, honestly, like when you go to the private island or whatever, because it's mesh, and so sand and things like that are going to fall out of it. So I just thought it was cute. And that was, this was not marked, so this must have been a $2 fine. So that was cute. This is a little contraption. This is going to be hard to figure out. Let's see if I can figure this out. This is a, oh yeah, I did. Yay. How cute is that? Little folding plant stand. This was 200 yen, which means it was about $4. I thought that was just super, super cute. And for the front porch, to be able to put a plant on it and to have something raised. They don't have really big front porch, so that's kind of a good size to have something like that on. This I just grabbed because I thought that this could be super useful for holiday wreaths and fall wreaths and things that are coming up. So This one was, I think, $2 as well. This I thought was super cute. It is looks like a cork board on the back, but you can actually see it's kind of like a little shadow box. So it's neat because if you, and it also has a plexiglass front to it. I thought that it was hollow. Let me see if I can open this up. It's plastic, it's good plastic. Ouch. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to get that open. But you can see there's a little bit of a plexi window in there too. And you know, it's a cork board, but it's great for memories and to be able to you know, display things. I thought that that would be really fun and kind of something fun to use for DIY. We're gonna get into some snacks too. If you guys saw my last Daiso haul, I did all of this in a two-part video because I spent probably close to like $200, I think, when I went. I didn't spend that much this time. I did grab some of these ramen noodles. I'll just ask me about these and I'll follow up. I'm not going to eat these in front of you today. But I did grab some other things because this was a lot of fun for y'all. And I'm kind of obsessed with wasabi peas. And I don't find a lot of like spicy hot things when I'm at these markets. And I don't know if, I don't know what it is, but we're gonna try some. So these are a wasabi rice cracker. There is some English on here. And we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna give it a try because why not? And of course I didn't rip it enough to break the seal. All right, these don't. Nope. Mm-mm. They're not hot. Not hot at all. Sadness. All right, this is the next one. Again, wasabi peas. Maybe these will be hot. Nope. Sorry, buddy, you can't have any of those. I'm so sad. They're not hot. I want them to be hot. All right. This is a Japanese style barbecue sauce flavored corn puff. So let's see. Ooh, these are big. These are bigger than I thought they'd be. Not bad. Now, I've had these before. These are tasty. These are good. And this brand makes wasabi peas as well. But again, I don't find them hot. So they're good. They're not spicy though. I'm sad. I don't think I got anything that's spicy. Right, this is a ramen snack. This is the soy sauce flavor. Those other ones, the sriracha ones, they kind of tasted like ketchup. I don't remember them tasting like ketchup. Ooh, these are fun. All right. These are good. These are good, but they had different flavors in these, but I didn't get them, but I wish I would have because these are tasty. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. I assume they're mushroom. I mean, everything is Japanese. There are some English, like they have to put the stickers over it for like calories and all that. And I can certainly read the ingredients, but I'm not going to. Because we're just going to go for it. So, I smell like feet. They don't taste like feet. Oh! These are really good too. Those are really yummy. A little bit of a sweeter kind of undertone. They're good. So I'll show you the flavors. I'll show you the flavors of the ramen that I got, and then we'll just do a, I guess I'll just do a follow-up. This is a soy sauce flavor. So I can take these to work very easy. This is a good one. The lady at the store actually told me that these were really, really good. So this is a udon flavor, and it's heavy, so it feels like there's a lot of good stuff in there. And then the last one here, this is spicy. Maybe this will give me the spice that I'm wanting. It's a spicy sesame flavor, so maybe I'll give that one a try for dinner. But that's my Daiso haul. Not a whole lot. I ended up spending about $65. I did get a jasmine tea that I drank on the way home, and then I grabbed some chocolate that was just like just kind of regular chocolate, and it was good. But I'm excited that Daiso is here. I'm at the point now where I'm just not buying a whole bunch of random stuff that that I don't need, and so that's why my haul isn't as big. There was a lot of stuff there though, and again, I'm gonna go back and get more of these because these are really, really good. All right, guys, that's it.